Ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and wondered where all your money went? You're not alone. Budgeting can feel like trying to solve a complex math equation without a calculator. But what if there was a tool that could simplify this financial puzzle? That's where Goodbudget comes in. Goodbudget is a budgeting app that takes the stress out of managing your money. It's like having a personal financial coach in your pocket. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. Imagine your money as a pie. Goodbudget helps you slice that pie into manageable pieces. It's based on the envelope system, a tried-and-true method of budgeting that involves allocating specific amounts of cash to different spending categories. The core of Goodbudget is the creation of envelopes. Think of these as virtual envelopes where you allocate your money. You can create envelopes for anything: groceries, rent, entertainment, savings, and more. Once you've set up your envelopes, you assign a specific amount of money to each one. Now, let's talk about funding your envelopes. You can either transfer money from your bank account or use the app to divide your income evenly among your envelopes. It's like giving each spending category a budget allowance. As you spend, you'll need to track your expenses. Goodbudget makes this easy. Whenever you make a purchase, simply open the corresponding envelope and subtract the amount spent. It's like taking money out of a physical envelope. One of the coolest features of Goodbudget is the ability to set up recurring transactions. This is particularly helpful for bills like rent or utilities. You can automate the process so that the money is automatically transferred to the designated envelope on the due date. Goodbudget isn't just about tracking expenses. It's also a powerful tool for saving. You can create savings goals and allocate money to specific savings envelopes. Whether it's a vacation, a down payment, or an emergency fund, Goodbudget can help you stay on track. Another great feature is the ability to sync your budget with your partner. This is perfect for couples who want to manage their finances together. You can both see the same budget, track shared expenses, and work towards common financial goals. Now, let's talk about flexibility. Life happens, and your spending plans might change. Goodbudget allows you to move money between envelopes. If you overspend in one category, you can transfer funds from another to balance things out. Goodbudget offers a variety of views to help you visualize your finances. You can see a monthly overview, a weekly breakdown, or focus on specific envelopes. This flexibility allows you to find the perspective that works best for you. While Goodbudget is a fantastic tool, it's essential to remember that budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and discipline to establish good financial habits. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Goodbudget is more than just an app, it's a financial partner. By understanding how it works and utilizing its features effectively, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.